Emmett. Thank you. Man, I can't believe I have to do this whole chemistry project by myself. Stupid Van Brunt.
Hey, don't call him stupid. It's an insult to stupid people everywhere.
That idiot can't even count to 10, which, coincidentally, is the number of years he's going to be in high school. Guess that's my phone. Oh, that's weird. It says I have a call in progress.
You probably sat on it and butt dialed someone.
Hello? Nobody there. Must have gotten voicemail.
Who'd you dial?
Van Brunt. Van Brunt! He's gonna hear everything we just said about him.
You mean he's gonna hear everything you just said about him?
We were both talking about him, Emmett. Stop saying my name! And hang up the phone!
Hey! Hey! So, did my evil plan work? Did you butter up your mom?
Like popcorn at a midnight movie.
What was that?
Oh, it's just my phone. It's always making weird noises.
So, how'd you do it?
Oh, wow, it was so painful. I had to spend the whole day with her pretending she was cool. Longest day of my life.
But it was all worth it because we're going to see Dusk! When the sun goes down, his fangs come out.
And his shirt comes off.
It was all just a big trick, so Teddy could get permission to see that vampire movie. Bob, she thinks I'm just as uncool as I thought my mom was. It's the great uncool circle of life.
Well, honey, if it helps, I think you're cool.
It doesn't.
All right, so what's the punishment going to be? No movie, grounded for a week?
Too easy. Mama's gonna get even.
You know, nothing good ever happens when you start calling yourself Mama.
Mama doesn't care.